This 1951 Chevrolet Bel Air is brought to you by CARuso Classic Cars. The best of 1951 meets Drive Anywhere. This 1951 Chevy Bel Air coupe with a rebuilt 6-cylinder engine. Drivetrain updated and ready to travel in comfort. Paint is stunning with all new bright work. New tires and rear wheel skirts. The interior door panels and headliner are flawless. The dash is factory with a couple of extra gauges. No dings are visible on this vehicle. The brakes are in great condition. The car was previously owned by a non-smoker. This stunning car is well maintained and rests in a heated garage in Massachusetts. Visit us at CARuso Classy CCARs.us.